so that I can show you what the Delta Executor is all about and what you can do with it. So you can see you can use your game normally, but on the right side you have new additions. Greetings YouTube, in today's video I will show you something very mind-blowing, and that is how to get the only working Delta Executor for Roblox, which you can apply for both iOS and Android devices. I don't want to waste your time anymore. You will see the glimpse of it, guys, and later on that I will show you how we can get it. So let's start. As you can see, guys, I've opened up a random game on Roblox so that I can show you what the Delta Executor is all about and what you can do with it. So you can see you can use your game normally, but on the right side you have new additions. A welcoming page, some little browser, and also some console settings which you can configure on your very own. But the main part is the home page, where you will already have some preloaded scripts which you can execute and play your favorite games on Roblox. So some specific hubs are for specific games. You can check that out, guys. But in today's video, I will be showing you how we can get the Delta Executor for both Android and iOS devices. Just make sure to have your Wi-Fi on. Do not use any type of VPN connections. Now, that being said, we can now open up our browser, and doesn't matter what browser we are using. What only matters right here, people, is to search for blockstweaks.com. On blockstweaks.com, we will also have a script selector which we can choose from a very big variety of games on Roblox for the scripts, of course, that can be executed through the Delta Executor, which we are here to get it. So we will click on the launch tool and now need to enter our username. So make sure to enter the correct one, as it is very important. Click on find the username button, tap on the next button and select your platform. After that, guys, you can see how fast these steps are all going by. So just make sure to stick till the end and do not close this page right here, as it is very important in processing and finalizing our Delta Executor. So that being said, that being done, we will now be ready to solve this captcha right here and then proceed to the final step, guys. So we have to complete one more step in order for us to receive the Delta Executor. So how do we go about that, guys? It's simple. We will be on this page and we will have two simple options: to either download some apps from the official App Store or Google Play Store, and not only download them, but also read what it says in the description. So for example, install Reco Social and play 3 games for 5 minutes each. Or something like install Free Cache and play 3 games for 5 minutes each. So something simple like that will be enough for you to receive the Delta Executor. Or you will have a faster alternative, guys, where you can just make sure to complete some simple questionnaires. By following those steps and completing them, you will need to answer some simple questions. Doesn't matter what is answered, just to answer them, basically. And that is it, guys. I hope everything was useful. If you have further questions, drop a comment down below. Your boy will be there for you. Otherwise, don't forget to leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. See ya.